Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Do you ever feel nervous while speaking English, even when you know what to say? In today's video, I am going to share powerful tips to help you sound more confident in English. From your voice tone and pronunciation to your body language, every little thing matters when you speak. So stay tuned and let's unlock the secret to speak English with confidence. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Step 1. Start with posture and breathing. Confidence is not just in the words, it's in your body language. Sit up straight, take a deep breath before speaking. Calm, breathing, confident voice. Step 2. Speak slower with purpose. Nervous speakers talk fast, confident speakers talk slow and clear. Try this. I am learning to speak English confidently. Say it slowly with control. Feel the power. Step 3. Practice power phrases. Use phrases like, in my opinion, I believe that. Let me explain. These signal confidence and control in conversations. Step 4. Master intonation and tone. Avoid speaking in a flat tone. Instead, use rise and fall in your voice. Example, that's interesting. Feel the energy, that's confidence. Step 5. Record yourself. This is gold. Record your voice, listen, correct, and repeat. You will see improvement within a week. Practice daily. Confidence comes from repetition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. See you tomorrow. Stay confident and keep speaking English.